everyone, welcome back to my channel Trendy Suryakantam. It's me, Hasini. So today is Varalakshmi Ratham and happy Varalakshmi Ratham to all of you. We made a homemade idol of Goddess Lakshmi. We didn't buy it from outside, and by the way, the head of it is actually a coconut which is rubbed by sandpaper and drawn. And actually, I drew the eyes with paint. So it was kind of fun doing it. For the background, we used banana leaves, and it's quite hard to get banana leaves in Kuwait, but my father just tried to get in farms, etc. So this is a almost complete look of it. There are yellow flower garlands and banana stems, baby banana stems. So this is the complete look of the goddess, and this is actually a thoran. It is made of 9 threads tied into 9 knots along with 9 flowers and leaves. So my mother is tying over here flowers and leaves into 9 knots. So she is tying a knot here. So my mother made 5 of them. So this is the completed goddess. The white thing which is around the goddess is vastram. It's known as a dress. So I love this scene. So over here, as Goddess Lakshmi has 2 elephants beside her, its name is Gaurammas. So my mother is making the 2 elephants and God Ganesha. For every puja, Ganesha's puja is the first. Only after Ganesha's puja, then only we will do the other puja. So my mother is placing the Gaurammas beside the goddess. So now she is placing the elephants beside the goddess. So that's what. So she's putting the vastram for the Lord Ganesha. By the way, the Ganesha is made of turmeric. Also, the elephants are also made by the turmeric. So that yellow thread is turmeric thread. The elephants are quite smaller than the Ganesha. So over here, my mother is putting the prasadams. The first item is rice and sugar, rice flour and sugar. It is made of it. And the second item is curd rice, the dojanam. The next one is boiled black chana. The next one is moong dal, soaked moong dal. The next one is kesar. My mother added some food coloring for it, so it became red. The next one is lemon rice, my kind of favorite food. So total there are 9 items. My mother prepared them at 4 o'clock by getting up at 4 o'clock. All the 9 items. So the next item is panakam. It is actually made out of jaggery, cardamom and pepper mixed in water. I don't like that water. So here is the panakam water in the cup. The next one is pongal. It is my favorite food. Almost most of them are my favorite. And the last one is milk paisam, my favorite. I love it. So these are total 9 items. They are completed. So now we are arranging fruits. So we completed the arranging all. So we are gonna sit to the puja. You also attend the puja with me. Over here we sat in the puja. We started with lighting the diyas, and then we lighted the dhupam. Over here we are doing the Ganpati puja. We started we started the Ganpati Puja over here. Me, my brother, my sister, my friends enjoyed this puja a lot, and it was quite fun. As there is no priest in Kuwait, we put it online. We followed the puja which the priest was doing, and we did the same here. So we almost completed the Ganpati Puja, and then we'll do the Thoran Puja, Tora Puja also. In this puja, we'll do the puja for Thorans, and after we complete the Lakshmi Puja also, we'll tie the Thorans to the people's hand. So the next after Thora Puja, it is Goddess Lakshmi Puja. By the way, we should tie this Thoran to our right hand, not to our left hand. So now we are doing the Thora Puja. So it's right here. We completed the Thoran Puja over here, and we just started the Lakshmi Puja. The entire puja we have to throw akshintalu or flowers, and it is quite compulsory, and my hand was aching, but I thought it was fun, and we just continued to it. We enjoyed the puja a lot, and by the way, I was sitting in this puja mainly for prasadam, because I was like I'm so hungry, because from morning I didn't eat at all. So over here we completed the puja, and we have to turn 3 times like this and throw after the puja, and throw the akshintala at the back of us. We finished the puja, and now we are tying the Thorans. My sister is tying for me because I can't tie it by myself. So over here, my mother, actually the people in the puja, all people in the puja can tie the Thoran, but my mother only made 5 of them. This is the evening puja on that day, and this is the compulsory part of the puja. Over here, I called my friend. My mother they put turmeric onto the opponent's leg and put kumkum bindi on each other's face and give return gifts. So that is the evening puja. The people, the girls who come to home to do this puja are referred to as Varalakshmi goddess. So she is our Varalakshmi goddess. I'm asking my mother and doing this because I don't know how to do. And by the way, we shouldn't leave any gap while putting the turmeric on the legs. Actually, I didn't plan to give the things on this puja, return gift on this puja. So you know what I gave? I gave an apple in return. He got laugh. And then my sister came to do the same. So she's putting kumkum bindi and putting saffron and things. So she's doing the same to my sister's face. We 3 enjoyed this puja a lot, and we also thought it was quite fun to do. If anybody missed this puja, you can do it in this month, as there are 2 more Fridays left. Only Fridays should be this puja. So if anybody missed, can do this puja in Fridays. So over here, my sister called me too. So I just sat down there, and she's doing this thing. We also do it to each other. Even my friend called us to her home and did the same with us. So that's what we enjoyed it a lot today. And that is what, guys. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Trendy Suryakantam, and click the notification bell, and don't forget to share this video. So subscribe to my channel again. Wear mask and stay safe as COVID is getting its third wave. So be safe by wearing masks and wear gloves also while going out. So bye bye.